Bullish ALGO cost expectation for 2023 is 28 cents to 45 cents. Algorand cost could likewise reach 60 cents soon. Bearish ALGO cost expectation for 2023 is 12 cents. In Algorand cost expectation 2023, we will dissect the value examples of ALGO by utilizing exact dealer amicable specialized examination markers and anticipate the future development of the digital money. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local cryptographic money of the Algorand environment. Algorand is an open-source decentralized blockchain in view of shrewd agreements. ALGO was sent off in 2019 following its mainnet send-off. Like Ethereum, Algorand claims its local Algorand virtual machine. Algo brilliant agreements empower clients to create different dApps on the blockchain. Algorand works in view of the unadulterated evidence of stake agreement system joined with Byzantine arrangement convention. PPOS was acquainted with the blockchain space by Algorand's pioneer Silvio Macaulay. The blockchain follows algorithmic haphazardness to choose its validators and verifiers, and in this manner supporting its name Algorand. Clients get to take part in the administration of the blockchain either simply by holding ALGO or marking it. ALGO holders get almost 7.5% APY as automated revenue on holding these crypto tokens. It works with quick, productive, and practical exchanges at lower costs. Algorand helps to determine the blockchain trilemma: decentralization, security, and versatility. Algorand Value Forecast 2023. Algorand stands firm on the 40th foothold on CoinGecko at the present time. The outline of the Algorand cost expectation for 2023 is made sense of beneath with a day-to-day time period. The above diagram of Algorand spread out a climbing triangle design. The climbing triangle is a trademark example of a continuous bullish pattern. This triangle is framed by an even upper trend line that interfaces the highs and a lower trend line that associates the rising lows. Assuming the pattern breakout at the opposition level, the cost will keep on climbing in this rising triangle design. At the hour of examination, the cost of Algorand was recorded at 22 cents. Assuming the example pattern proceeds, the cost of ALGO could arrive at the obstruction levels of 23 cents and 31 cents. In the event that the pattern switches, the cost of ALGO might tumble to the help of 18 cents. Algorand opposition and backing levels. The graph given beneath shows the conceivable obstruction and backing levels of Algorand in 2023. From the above graph, we can investigate and distinguish the accompanying as the opposition and backing levels for Algorand. According to the above investigation, in the event that Algorand's bulls start to lead the pack, it could hit an advancement its obstruction level of 45 cents. Alternately, assuming Algorand's bears rule the pattern, the cost of ALGO could plunge to 12 cents. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The specialized examination pointers like relative volume, moving normal, and relative strength file of Algorand are displayed in the outline underneath. The relative volume of Algorand is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of ALGO lies beneath the end line, showing feeble members in the latest thing. Likewise, the moving normal of Algorand is displayed in the graph above. Strikingly, Algorand's cost lies under 50 MAMA, so it is in a downtrend. Right now, ALGO has entered a negative state. Hence, there is plausible of an inversion pattern of ALGO whenever. In the meantime, the overall strength record of the ALGO is 52.76. This implies that Algorand is neither in an oversold nor overbought state. Be that as it may, a value inversion of ALGO might happen in the impending days. Thus, brokers need to painstakingly exchange. Algorand Value Expectation 2023. ADX, RVI. Let us presently take a gander at the typical directional record of Algorand. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The marker is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. Allow us now to take a gander at the typical directional list of Algorand. It assists with estimating the general strength of the pattern. The pointer is the normal of the extending cost range values. This framework endeavors to quantify the strength of cost development in the positive and negative bearings utilizing DMI pointers with ADX. The above graph showed the ADX of Algorand. At present, the ADX of ALGO lies in the scope of 9.66, and in this way, it demonstrates a feeble pattern. The above graph additionally addresses the overall unpredictability list of Algorand. RVI estimates the consistent deviation of cost changes throughout some undefined time frame. The RVI of ALGO lies underneath more like 50, showing somewhat lower unpredictability. Correlation of ALGO with BTC, ETH. Let us presently analyze the value developments of Algorand with that of Bitcoin and Ethereum. From the above outline, we can decipher that the value changes of ETH, BTC, and ALGO are moving in a comparative pattern. This demonstrates that when the cost of ETH and BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ALGO likewise increments or diminishes individually. Algorand Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various variables are considered while estimating costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparable coins. How about we foresee the cost of Algorand somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030? Algorand Value Forecast 2024. Assuming that the declining cost activity totally dials back in force and the pattern turns around, Algorand could likely achieve $1.50 by 2024. Algorand Value Expectation 2025. With a few overhauls in the organization, Algorand could enter a bullish direction. On the off chance that the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ALGO could energize to hit $3 by 2025. Algorand Value Expectation 2026. If Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ALGO would revitalize to hit $4. Algorand Value Expectation 2027. If Algorand supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 4 years, ALGO would mobilize to hit $5. Algorand Value Expectation 2028. If Algorand supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ALGO would energize to hit $9. Algorand Value Expectation 2029. If Algorand holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the profoundly unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ALGO would hit $11 in 2029. Algorand Value Expectation 2030. Assuming financial backers rush in and keep on putting down their wagers on Algorand, it would observe significant spikes. ALGO could hit $13 by 2030. And if Algorand secures itself as a wise interest in 2023, this year would be great for the digital money. All in all, the bullish Algorand cost expectation for 2023 is 45 cents. Somewhat. The negative Algorand cost expectation for 2023 is 12 cents. In the event that there is a positive height in the market energy and financial backers feeling, Algorand could hit 60 cents. With future overhauls and progressions in the Algorand environment, ALGO could outperform its ongoing all-time high of $3.56 and mark its new ATH. 1. What is Algorand? Algorand is the local digital currency of Algorand, an open-source decentralized blockchain. Algorand works in view of the unadulterated confirmation of stake agreement. 2. Where could you at any point buy Algorand? Dealers can exchange Algorand on the accompanying digital currency trades like Binance, Coinbase Trade, KuCoin, Upbit, and OKX. 3. Will Algorand come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and updates inside the Algorand stage, ALGO has a high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. What is the ongoing